Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing some of the top mistakes that individuals make when they first start out in affiliate marketing. So stay tuned for that, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle Pouncey. I'm an online offline affiliate marketer. I have been doing affiliate marketing for almost 3 years now, and I got into affiliate marketing because back in 2017 I was laid off from my job, and around that same time I also found out that I was pregnant. So I wanted to find some things in which I can earn some additional income from home. So I started searching the web for different opportunities to see if I can earn some additional income. Yeah, I found a few opportunities, but the payouts weren't as consistent as I would have liked for them to have been. And so I got a little discouraged. Some programs I quit because I didn't know what I was doing. And I would get frustrated at times because, as I stated, the payouts, they just were not consistent enough. And so, which brings me to the reason why I am doing this video. Um, this video, I'm going to be discussing some of the top mistakes that individuals make when first starting out in affiliate marketing, myself included. When I first got started, I made these same mistakes. And so the very first thing that you need to know is that you cannot create a successful online business overnight. You have to have patience. You have to be consistent. You're not going to receive a payout the next day once you join a program. You have to put in the work and create your business basically from the ground up. And so you just have to know, hey, it's going to take some time. And you just have to be able to put aside some time to dedicate to your business. Number two is that you need to have a mentor instead of a sponsor. A mentor is someone who's going to help you with the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. They've been doing affiliate marketing for years, so they know what they need to do in order to help you be successful in affiliate marketing. They're going to take you by the hand and show you the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing. You don't want too many sponsors, because sponsors, they're just going to get your money and leave you out in the dust for you to figure out things on your own. A mentor, they're not going to do that. They're going to find a way to help you in every way possible for you to be successful. And I have found a great mentor that's been helping me for the past few months in affiliate marketing, helping me brand myself and helping me create a successful online business. And in that program, in which I discussed in my previous videos, if you all want to go check that out, in that program, we're learning how to build a successful online business, and we're learning how to brand ourselves. Number three, when going into affiliate marketing, you have to have a positive mindset. You cannot go into affiliate marketing with a negative mindset. You have to know that this is not going to be easy. You have to be around people who are going to motivate you, who are going to inspire you, encourage you to keep going with affiliate marketing. This is not, as I stated, some overnight process in which you're going to get rich quick, because that's not the case. Yeah, there are some programs like that out there, and those programs most likely do not last. You want to be involved in a program in which you're learning all about affiliate marketing, and it's going to take consistency, and it's going to take time for you to learn the affiliate marketing process. Um, Once you know that you are going to um, be successful in affiliate marketing, you're going to keep going. Um, you're going to know that, hey, this is what I want to do. So I'm going to put my foot down and I'm going to hit the pavement running. Um, Make sure that when you do start out in affiliate marketing, you go on a 90-day blitz. That 90-day blitz is going to let you know whether you're built for affiliate marketing or not. That 90-day blitz is for you to, number one, you got to have that positive mindset, and you have to be consistent throughout the whole 90-day blitz. So, and you're going to get that commission when you least expect it during that 90-day blitz. And when you get that first commission, you're going to want to keep going because you have some motivation now and you have some encouragement to keep going. And those commissions are going to just keep coming if you stay consistent. Number 4, you have to provide value. You have to be able to build relationships with people because people join people. They do not join businesses. And that's one thing that I had to learn when getting into affiliate marketing. Like I said, I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. I was just spamming my link. Wasn't building any type of relationships with people, which is why they didn't join me in anything, because I wasn't creating or building relationships with anyone, and they didn't know me. And so now I'm learning to create those relationships and build those relationships with people. I'm learning how to provide value, and I'm creating that know, like, and trust factor so that people can see that I'm a real person, and they can see that I'm someone that they can relate to. I don't want to just spam my link, keep spamming it and putting it in people's inboxes and they don't know me. That's just not right. And so since being in this program that I've been in for the past 4 months now, I've learned how to create that know, like, and trust factor, so that when I do have an online business, people are coming to me asking me what I'm involved in, rather me chasing them down, because I've created that trust factor. So guys, when getting into affiliate marketing, number 1, get yourself a mentor, not sponsors. A mentor, that's very important. Number 2, you have to know that building a successful online business is going to take time. It's not a process that you can rush. Number 3, you have to have a positive mindset. You cannot have a negative mindset coming into affiliate marketing. Your mindset, it has to be positive. You just cannot have a negative mindset. And number 4, you have to build relationships with people. You have to build that know, like, and trust factor. That's very important, because that's how you're going to get people to join you in any type of business that you have. You won't be chasing anyone down or spamming your link. None of that. You're going to already have that know, like, and trust factor. You're going to be building up that know, like, and trust factor so that people won't hesitate to spend their money with you, and they won't hesitate to join you in any business that you may have. So guys, if you need help branding yourself, or if you need help creating that know, like, and trust factor, I have a solution for you. I'm going to leave a link in the description in the program that I am involved in that is teaching me these things. So if you want more information, can just click that link in my description. And also, I'm going to leave a link to my Facebook page so that you can contact me if you have any questions, or if you just want to message me. The link is there for you to click on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.